ಈಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈಪ್ ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು
ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಮಗು ನನಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಡಿ 5 ಮಂತ್ ಮಗು ನಾವು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವನು ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ ಏನಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ 100 ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಏನು
ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡು ಅದು ರೋಪ್ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಆಯ್ತು ಹಿಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಹಿಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಆಯ್ತು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಈಗ ಗೌಜಿ ಹೊಡೋದು ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮವರೆಲ್ಲ ಗೌಜಿ ಹೊಡೋದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ.
What's up everybody, welcome to the vlog. For whoever didn't understand what exactly was happening, let me quickly tell you what's up. Well, this happened in Gokarna. It was 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, and it was somewhere around 5 PM in the evening when the cops stopped us. So we were traveling through the city to a beautiful sunset point that you will watch in the vlog ahead. But the cops stopped us and we thought it was a routine check. But apparently it was for not wearing masks. So my initial question is, how do I wear masks with the kind of helmets that we wear? Anyways, so we proceeded to pay the fine because they were just doing their duty. Super cool job done by the cops over there, no problem at all. But there was a man and a woman fighting with the cop, as you saw. So what you see in the video over there is a lady trying to protect her husband from a bunch of rude cops. They were rude even when they stopped us. They were like, come here, go there, pay the fine. That this, like, as if we were going to run for $100. Either ways, they were super rude, and that lady came down, like, you know, to bargain the fine, or she was giving them reasons that I can't wear the mask because I have to feed my 5-month-old baby. But the cops were super rude right off the back. In one of the playback clips, you guys can see the cop removing his mask and putting it back to show the lady how to wear a mask. And also the cops that were writing our fines, they weren't wearing their masks completely, you know, nose right over here. But then who's going to ask them? They are the people in power, right? I want you guys to comment down in the comment section below and tell me what you think about this situation. Also, if any cop is watching this, please know that we respect you, we thank you, you are our superheroes. But please don't talk to us very rudely, don't shout at us. You stop us, we stop, because we know either we've made a mistake or that we haven't, so we can speak it out nicely. Please don't shout at us, you are our superheroes and we are very grateful. Having said that, this is not the end of the vlog. I've shot an entire day at Gokarna, beautiful sunset points and what you guys can do. So make sure you guys enjoy the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you at the end of the video. Hello, what's up everybody? किस मुंह से आपको रूम टूर दे दूं? ये देखिए, but I have some other shots. Heading out of our homestay Viras Valley, there is a short off-road patch over here. But right after this, we are going to Om Beach and then take it from there.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
This is how green, beautiful and luscious almost all throughout Gokarna is. It's super beautiful, peaceful and very joyful to ride. Another thing about Gokarna is I see a lot of cattle and a lot of animals cross the road. So you have to be very careful when you ride here. Don't be super fast and super crazy because anything can come at any point and I don't want you guys to crash and fall. If you guys haven't watched both of my previous vlog, I didn't name it Gokarna ka vlog. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's in the description, link in the description and the I buttons. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys at the Om Beach. Like I guessed, there is too many people here and it's because it's the 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. Everybody has a leave. It's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, following weekend. So obviously too many people here. नहीं पता कितना vlog कर सकता हूँ पर कोशिश ज़रूर करेंगे. Well, this is Om Beach. From the parking lot, there's a small trek to go to the shores. To see the viewpoint Om, where what everybody actually comes. It's another diversion that we have to take. We are going to go there after this.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this.
I know you guys are telling me that it's not the best time to come to the beach while it's super sunny, but we have a better plan happening for the sunset, so we're sacrificing something for something better, but it's actually not that bad.
No more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
I'm not a good vlogger, not a good traveler, and definitely not a good human, but if there's one advice you should take from me, please wear shoes. By the way, how did you like my tie-dye shirt? Just got it from the local stores in Gokarna yesterday.
Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Just came to Namaste Cafe, planning to have lunch here.
Get me out of
Since it's October 2nd, it's dry day all over Gokarna. All the MRPs are closed except for Namaste Cafe. So we had a bunch of apple juice and now we're going to the viewpoint.
to where we started.
We didn't really stop at the popular viewpoints because with COVID and stuff happening, plus Gandhi Jayanti, it's a weekend, so there are too many people and it's very risky. So we just stopped at this place. Check this view out.
La, 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 oh, oh.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. 5 month ಮಗು ನಾವು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವರು ನಾವು.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ.
ಏನಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಕಾಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ 100 ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
They were fining people for not wearing masks. Luckily, we were good, but then disrespectful way of talking to people. Either ways, headed to a sunset point. We are almost there.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Again, the 5-second rule applies over here. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to absorb this beautiful sunset. Just check this out.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
Check out this beautiful time lapse. I'll catch you guys right after that.
Get me out of now.
What a pretty viewpoint, what a beautiful sunset. I live for these kind of moments. Wow. And a quick change of t-shirt because fire Instagram photos, obviously you can check it out on Aki Beats. I think that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe. Peace. Panitte dada board nikku.
We had a minor mishap, okay guys, which we can't really post here because of security and